Hi guys, this is my face, obviously. We are gonna be playing Movie Star Planet. Hopefully you enjoy. Can I just type on, my user. It's good that you can't see. Hold on. Login. Okay. Just loading. Come on, okay. So, that's me. Look like me. People getting turned to look. Look, people look. I'm so poor. Nope, I don't care. Sorry. Like this present. Oh, movie time. So if it's laggy, I keep this hit with really laggy. Okay. 2 messages. What the heck? You are so something. Wow. Okay. Oh, this is a good chat. This is Robbie. Listen. Yeah. And I'm gonna change this. As you know, I changed my name. Oh, what? I give up. Okay, let's play some games. Oh, hold on. Sorry, people. Okay. Golden. Yep, Golden Gamer. Wait, Golden, oops. Sorry, I'm so sorry. Golden Girl Gamer. Done. Okay, let's play this up. No thanks. Waiting for other players. You're Zodiac. I'm Aries. She likes pink. Oh, that one. Yep. No. This one. Over this. Over the. I'm gonna say I'm Aries. What caps? Oh, I think she's Aries too. I think that's Aquarius. Yeah. Oh my god. She left. Oh. Capricorn. Oh, Capricorn. Sorry. Sorry, I'm so sorry, people. Oh, I won. Oh, I like that. Kawaii 3429. Out of the way. Oh, look at that clothes. Oh, she's finished. So let me just join. Your favorite band. That one. Yeah, oh, I actually don't know. Transformers. I don't know. God. I don't know what Transformers look like. Oh my gosh. I'm just gonna say. Oh. UI. Fairy Tale. No. Oh. No, I thought that was a crown. This one. this one. No. No! E. Someone from a band. Oh yes, that one. I'm from a 17's band. Oh, look at that. I like her earmuffs, so I'm just gonna give her a friend request. Oh, hello, friends. What? What? Isn't she gonna vote for any of us? Oh. Like a computer. How can I do that? I'll just do this. Oh, that's cute. I'll just do it randomly. Yeah, I'll just wear that. Be right back. I'm so sorry. Sorry, I'm back. She hasn't chosen any of us. Poor her, she doesn't have any. Oh, look at her. Suit top. I don't know. Okay, this is gonna be my last round, and I'm gonna be ending the video. I'm so sorry for you to hear that. Oh, look! I like that. Look at that hair. Okay. I am so sorry to end the video here. Please subscribe and like the video. Bye.